everyone. And I have four pledgers from Ms. Lopez's third grade class, and they are
Viviana, Vivian, Ilana, Sarah, Brianna.
If you could please stand and join us, place your hands over your heart, and we'll go ahead and do our Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, one indivisible, and liberty and justice for all.
And now we'll go ahead and do our Texas Pledge.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one indivisible.
Will you please remain standing for a moment of silence? You may be seated. Every student here at Woodland Acres Elementary School has the right to feel safe, loved, and respected at home, on the bus, and during your school day. If there is anyone at home, on the bus, or at school that makes you feel unloved, unsafe, or disrespected, tell someone. Tell a parent, your teacher, the counselor, your coach, your nurse, your principals, or any other trusted adult. We continue to be a no place for hate school, so please remember your pledge, that I promise to do my best to treat everyone fairly. I promise to do my best to be kind to everyone. If I see someone being hurt or bullied, I will tell a teacher. I will help others to feel safe and happy at school. I will be a part of making my school a no place for hate. All right, we do not have any student birthdays, so happy unbirthday to you guys. We do have one celebrity birthday, so students, if you see Coach Kalura in the hallway today, please be sure to wish him a happy, happy birthday. We do have a couple of announcements. There are still prose and poetry tryouts during your library time, so please see Ms. Suquet. Make sure you have a poem or a piece of poetry, prose ready to go. And also, please continue to wear your mask, wash your hands, and social distance. This means at all times, in the hallways, in the lunchroom, in the cafeteria, in the gym. The character education themes for the month of January are perseverance and courage. A famous politician once said, perseverance is all the hard work you do after you get tired of doing the hard work you already did. Don't give up. You can be successful, but it isn't always easy. So our announcements were really quick today, so it's something to think about. This is Mrs. Marsh saying, make it a great day or not.
The choice is yours!
That's right, Wildcats. The choice is always yours. We hope that today you choose to make it a wonderful and whimsical Wednesday.